So I was talking to Stuart earlier today, and for those of you that joined us at the grand opening of West Bend, Wisconsin, where we make our Made in the USA hand tools, $55 million investment for the company. But it's not just about the investment that we made and the fact that it's made in the United States. It's the fact that we have invented processes and purchased machines that don't exist anywhere else in the world. So it's really about the innovation and the quality and the features in that product on top of just being a made in the USA. So we're being very intentional about what the next range of SKUs are. Now, your question is a great one because things like insulated, hey, it's a different grip and there's some extra tests. The CapEx for dielectric testing for that type of equipment is quite expensive.
Yeah.
But we feel like that is the next smartest thing that we can do to invest capital so that we can get dielectric testing in-house, get insulated tools out that are already leveraging the tooling that we have on the screwdrivers, the pliers, the diagonal cutters, the long nose pliers. So yes, you will see insulated made in the USA products coming very quickly. We didn't announce it publicly today, but here you go.
The